Hey friends, I'm Broccoli. Welcome to KidDraws. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw and color the little two evil Sippy Cups. Let's start. And the other sippy cup, that one is going to be this one's going to be the blue one, this one will be the pink one. There. Now, let's color the pink evil sippy cup. The pink one, and little Petey sippy cup, it's the pink one. But Molly's, it's the blue one. But it already come to life. The small one, let's take these. Yeah. Let's color the outer sippy cup. Okay. This sippy cup, it's the blue one. The other one, it's the pink one. Both next, these parts. Ta-da! We finished drawing and coloring the two evil sippy cups.